Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to try and do something new. We're going to start doing some daily vlogs on our weekends where we're doing the house. So yeah, as I said, we're going to start doing some daily vlogs. This is our task for today. So these will be getting me through today, as I am addicted. So as you can see, this room's already been painted before. It was originally going to be a spare bedroom, but we've changed our mind now. We want to make it into a office slash man cave for me, pretty much, and for Kira to work in if she wants to. Also because of this carpet, it doesn't really match with the walls, so we're just going to repaint it. It's not going to take too long, and then we'll see how that looks. So I think I'm going to start with taking the door off, just to make my life a bit easier. And then I need to empty all this crap out of here and find another home for it. A little quick tip as well, if you're taking the door off, just jam something like this underneath, nice and tight so it doesn't fall over as you're taking the screws off. And usually I take the top two off first, leave one in, and then take the bottom ones off and then do the top one last. Boom. I've emptied the little space here for the desk. Okay, it's recording as well. So why doesn't it stop it? So there's the desk I bought Kira about a year ago that she's never used. And she's kindly brought me up my breakfast drink. Thank you, Kira.
Okay, so we're gonna start emptying the room now, then we'll get painting, I guess.
So this is what we've done so far. Emptied most of the room and look at this mess now.
We'll sort it later.
To think I came from a one bedroom.
I don't know how we done it all. It's all just like
comes.
tools, isn't it? So we've taped up the door. We are putting the vacuum to the sander anyway, so it shouldn't release much dust.
I've been sanding this wall down. It's not about getting it perfect, it's just about getting it as best as we can. Within the time frame as well, because obviously we've only got weekends to work on the house. It wasn't actually too bad, we wanted to make it just a little bit nicer because the light hits that wall as well, so you can see every little imperfection. So yeah, we'll see how it looks once it's painted.
I'm also not sure if you mentioned this, but the wall he was sanding, we didn't plaster. It was fine, it's just there's a few scrapes and stuff while we've moved stuff around and took the wallpaper off and things. That's why he was sanding down. This is the wall that we did plaster and it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's not like he plastered that and then he's had to sand it down again. So I've kind of done across there. The tape worked quite well, to be fair. I didn't take any of the white off. Some places where it didn't stick very well, the grey went onto the skirting board, but I just kind of cleaned it as I went. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, to be fair.
Just some of the edges left to do, and around the window. Do you like it, Kira?
Yeah, I think it's like...
I think it's better for what we were planning to do with the room.
And we can decorate it with lighter things.
And it would definitely go with the carpet, I think.
Yeah, 100%. It does look black, doesn't it? It's more like a gunmetal grey.
Gunmetal grey, yeah.
Not everyone's cup of tea, but I think it's quite nice.
That was the old colour there, and obviously.
I think it definitely looks a lot better in this room.
I'm sweating my fits off doing this. Intricacy. So as you can see, we've finished painting the room. We've done 2 coats on it. The top's going to be covered with the covings. So now we're going to go on to fitting the mirror in the other room. Yeah, so we're not going to reveal much of the bedroom because we've got a video coming on that. This is the mirror, upside down obviously. It's going to go next to the wardrobe there. So we're just going to show you how, going to try and show you how I've planned to do it. Yeah, so these are the brackets we're using. They've got self-adhesive on the back.
They should hold up to 15 kilograms.
15 kg and the mirror weighs 11 kg. So to get them level, I'm putting this tape on the edge and then I'm going to mark where the bracket's going to be, so say if it's there. Mark there, then transfer the tape onto the wall and then measure across so it's level.
I don't think we mentioned, but the mirror that we've had cut specially. So we measured it out what size we want, and it's because we wanted something very specific and quite expensive online.
These two are perfectly in line with each other, which is what we need, obviously. I'm going to put an extra one in the middle. As we said, 2 of them hold 15 kg, just for the sake of it, because we've got 4. I'm just going to put an extra one on, just as an extra measure.
Watch it curl up now. Ewan likes to do everything himself. See, I could have just helped you. Look at you. I'll zoom in. So there's the mark on there. And there's also one on the wall.
Okay, so now
that's where it will sit.
Gotta find that in line with the brackets basically.
Thought I'd update everyone, and Ewan has got another soother. I can smell it in the room. Protecting the carpet at all costs.
So if you remember, I put the tape on here and I put this up to the tape. So basically I need to find the centre of this on the wall, which is 50. Transfer that onto here. End of the tape, 50. 260. So it doesn't matter massively because I've still got that much on each bracket, so.
Better not take the paint off.
This is what I do when I finish with tape. I actually fold it on the non-sticky side. Kira will just chuck it on the floor and then it'll be stuck to my foot.
Like that. Getting stuck to your shoes, didn't it?
So in the pack you get 2 types of wall plugs. This one's for plasterboard walls and this one is for like brick. These ones are for plasterboard walls because obviously when you put the screw in, that will open up and it will grab the back of the plasterboard. Just for people that don't know as well, that you're meant to start from a small drill bit and then increase the way up. Don't just go in with the right side because it's going to make your life harder.
Well, that might be a new birthday present, seeing as he hasn't got any drill bits.
These are just to, when it's on, it's not going to, flop either way, so keep it level.
You don't like it? Really?
I hate it.
Oh no. Really?
Let us know what you think of that. So let us know in the comments what you think of this. I don't know if I like it.
I really like it.
Kira loves it. I don't know. Let us know what you think.